Hello, welcome viewers. So today just I am going to start off the Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 2. So I think here the scene also beginning scene opens with the melancholic mood of Persia. So like the Act 1 and Scene 1. So the entire plot of the play just was confined to the same melancholic rule, same melancholic condition of Antonio and the same melancholic also the condition just rules Portia. So here in the Act 1 and Scene 2. So now here Nerissa is making just a request. Just here Nerissa requests Portia just to have a solid faith or ocean of faith just in her father's designing of the lottery system or cascade lottery system. Because here Nerisha just giving her remarks about the Portia's fathers. And here's a first tangent. Your father was ever virtuous, and holy men at their death have good inspirations, and therefore the lottery that he hath devised in these three chests of gold, silver, and lead. So your Nerissa is also telling to Portia that your father was ever virtuous. Ever virtuous means always noble, ethical, and also great wisdom and also the intelligent power. That's why here Nerissa is also telling to Portia that your father was really an intelligent person and a great wisdom, and he had a great intelligent powers and a noble person. And also Portia's father was a truly holy or a sacred person. So the holy men at the death have good inspirations because during the death time, so during the death of the suppose during the death of the holy persons, then they devise also some certain they also deliver some certain divine strategies, the divine guidelines for the betterment of the others' lives. So that is called the divine guidance. So that's why. So after the death of suppose one's means the sacred or a holy persons. So during their death time, they can also give out their valuable suggestions, wisdoms, and they think of the betterment of other lives. So that's why in this connection or in this context, here's Portia's father just has designed a cascade lottery system because for the betterment of the life of Portia. So here, that's a Nerissati telling that your father has designed the lottery system that he has divided in the three chests of gold, silver, and lead. So in the three forms he has also made it. First gold, silver, and lead. So I think whereof who chooses his meaning chooses you and will no doubt never be chosen by any rightly, but one shall also rightly love. So he means so according to the will of the Perseus father, so in the way he has designed this cascade lottery system, means any righteous candidates, any right candidates choosing the right cascades, not only that is not only marry the Persia, but also the candidates who chooses the right cascades along with the true love towards Persia, then he will conquer the heart of Persia. Or soon he will get married with Persia. So this was the cascade dodging, that is the lottery system was designing by her father's will. So another, but what warmth is there in your affection towards any of these princely suitors? that are already come, because means what the here the warmth is here in Perseus' affections towards the suitors they have come plus to try their locks. So what is the warmth in your affection? मीन्स यहाँ पर पर्सिया का जो अफेक्शन है यहाँ पर कितना उसका वार्म थे मीन्स सो हाउ मच वार्म इज देयर ऑफ पर्सिया so in her affection towards the candidates they have come just to participate in the cascade lottery system to try their locks. So and also that is are already come. So this was the scene one and act two. So next just I will start. So till now have a good day and also bye too.